Hello, I just wanted to start this off by saying hello and that I have a new employee. Also, why do I always look a mess? Maybe because I never do my hair or makeup anymore because I'm just home. Anyways, I have a new employee. She's a little bit lazy and a little bit clingy, but she's the head chief morale officer, and I will show you her. Her name is Daisy. And this is her. Say hi, Daisy. Hi. Oh. This is Daisy Bell, and she is the Chief Morale Officer at Butterfly Planner. Today we are working on orders, right? No. And then doing stuff around the house. I made her a nice little bed here so she can be right next to me while I'm working, and she can see out the window. So she's a very happy kitty, and she's super cute. I got her on Thursday. That's why the vlog, the first one, went up late, and why new releases went up late, because I was enjoying my new kitten. I've never had a kitten this young before. She's approximately 4 months old. My last cat, Tigger, he was about 9 months old when he found me, so this has been a little different, but I'm enjoying it. Hi. Hey, no. In orders right now, I'm not going to show people's names, but I thought I'd show you how I do it. I'm not ready to ship, so I get everything together. I go through the order, and a lot of people like to buy individual sheets, so I put them all on there. I have a kitten being bad. No. I get it, and then I set it all up. I print it, then they get cut. So everything is cut to order, and it will be done today. And I'm nearly being attacked by a kitten. Oh, she's definitely a planner. She's attacking the washing. Hey, so it's the next day. I'm in my bedroom with my cute little coworker here, and I just wanted to give you an update on yesterday, because I didn't vlog at all because, oh my gosh, if it could go wrong, it did go wrong. My program crashed, then I had to reprint some pages, then they cut wrong, so I had to reprint them, then they cut wrong, so I had to reprint them. Then I ran out of ink. It was just a whole mess. And what should have taken maybe 3 hours took like 7. But I did take a break in there because at one point I was just so frustrated I was gonna throw my computer out the window. So I walked away. So yeah, today I haven't done anything yet because we were going to do house stuff, and I was supposed to film this weekend, but this little girl, where'd she go? Has been taking up a lot of my time. So I haven't had time to like film videos and stuff like that. I'm hoping to maybe tomorrow, but we really need to get some work done on this house before that even happens. So wish me luck. Hey guys, so I am just working on work stuff. I have set up my planner for the day, so that's always good. I did some things in the morning, the lawn and stuff, and last night I was drawing, which I gave you guys just a second ago, a sneak peek, but I thought I'd show you a couple more. Remember, these are just line drawings. I haven't finalized them, and then I put them into the computer, so here are some of the new ones. This is Daisy. You know that I had to make a sticker for her because Tigger was created after my first cat, Tigger. So made Daisy a little baby. And here's her two little costumes. And yeah, just watching some planning roses or Jenna Rose and getting some work done. Also, if you're wondering, real Miss Daisy is enjoying just sitting by the window. She has been watching the bugs fly by and trying to attack them, right? Daisy. She is focused. Yes, you are. Hey guys, so right now I am finally getting to probably film. I say probably. This little one has been quite a handful, and we've been trying to do things around the house and not feeling well and lots of excuses, but I am getting my stuff ready so I can film a setup video which will go up Monday. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm also watching a Gwendolyn Faye, Miss Gwenny Pooh, and doing that. And then I'm gonna film my part of my haul right here and hopefully get some stuff done today and be more productive and actually get ahead, because I'm always saying I'm gonna get ahead, but I'm not doing new releases this week. I might have like a mini new release, but nothing like big. Okay, I just finished filming a couple of videos, a haul, and some setup. The September planner setup will be up Monday, so you'll be able to check that out. And this little one decided she wanted to be in my lap and to play all through the videos, didn't you? See, now she's just like, yeah, what? Huh? Isn't that right, Daisy? So now I'm going to clean up the mess and then start editing the videos and get this part of the vlog up and edited so that it'll be ready to go up tomorrow. I may do a little designing, but I'm not totally sure. I have to take my nephew to an appointment, and I think I want to do some back planning and kind of just have a relaxing day. I know that I haven't gotten a lot of work done this week, but I haven't been feeling well and it's hard to be creative. What I'll do is finalize those drawings. That would be a good thing for me to do because it's not super effort, you know what I mean? Like, it doesn't take a ton of effort to go over lines, and then I can scan them in and play with them in Photoshop and get them all nice and ready to be stickers. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. Just ran some errands, took my nephew to his orthodontist appointment, and am getting ready to plan with this awesome printable kit from Design Lovely Studio. So gonna kind of plan back end of this, or the first end of this week and the rest of the weekend. And I'm really excited because my sister's birthday is this weekend, so we're gonna partay a little bit best we can with everything going on. But my coworker is somewhere around here. She's just playing, never works, just plays. Oh, one of the other things I did today was I changed all my social media like pictures to be the same, so it's my face with the logo underneath it, which I think is really cool. So I did that today. I designed that and then put it everywhere. I might tweak it still a little, but I used a fun filter from Snapchat and just to make it a little goofy, because I'm a little bit goofy, so yeah. But I think it's cool, so if you go check out my Instagram again. Shameless plug. So anyways, and then later tonight I am going to my other nephew. It's the county fair and he has a steer to show, so I'm gonna go do that. And yeah, so we're just kind of waiting, which is why I'm not delving too deep into anything. I'm just gonna plan. Hey guys, so I just wanted to properly say goodbye and close this vlog out for this week, and I hope you enjoyed it. It was kind of a hodgepodgey week again. hopefully soon I will get into a routine. I've had trouble for months getting into a routine though, but yeah, I did plan a little bit yesterday, and there's a little sneak peek. And I'll have like what it looks like fully on my IG. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.